Hey, Tia Silvesi here, Florida-friendly landscaping agent with UF IFAS Extension in Orange County. And today I'm going to talk to you about growing and saving seeds from a passion fruit. So this here is a passion fruit, and the scientific name is Passiflora edulis. So this is the edible type of passion fruit. It does grow on a perennial vine that can live for several years and even get a little bit woody. But this isn't a plant for butterflies. The caterpillars don't really eat it. It's a plant to grow for your edible landscape. So it's hardy. It doesn't really like freezes, so zone 9B, zone 10, zone 11. It likes the tropics, it's a tropical fruit. And it's very tasty, kind of sweet tart. And so let me show you how to save seeds from it. So I'm just going to take this fruit, and this is a very large fruit. It's about 4 inches tall by 3.5 inches wide. There's going to be a lot of seeds in here. You want to cut it in half. Oh, I can already smell it. Wow. And so inside, there's these seeds that are covered in like a jelly-like substance. And so we're going to have to peel off that jelly-like substance, and then we can save the seed. So I just pick them one by one out with my fingers, and then I'll kind of push them around on my cutting board or on a piece of paper until you get the seed. And once you just get the little black seed, then you can put this on a piece of paper to dry completely. So that's one way of doing it. Another way of doing it is just to stick the seeds in your mouth and then eat the jelly stuff off of them and then spit them out. That way you're not wasting the fruit. So you can eat this raw. Some people eat it with a spoon. You can make it into a drink. You could make a passion fruit key lime pie. A lot of things you can do with it, and it's something that you can consider growing in your edible landscape in Central and South Florida. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more.